Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Wednesday 2nd of March. And guys, join me into the Discord as well here if you're not in the Discord. And yesterday we talked about how Solana could behave and where it could go. So let's say now that Solana is itself putting out there, it's trying to go to this price level. I'm gonna mark that price level, which is $112. Out of that inverse head and shoulder that we made on the 4 hour time frame. This is going to be way more clear on the 4 hour time frame, right? So it broke out of a double bottom on the 1 hour time frame, and right now it just keeping on pushing to the upside. So basically it just wants to go up to the 112 here, and then that will be crossing this yellow line. Now the question is, if you do cross the yellow line, and by the way, this head and shoulder neckline has been broken, right? Unless you just don't start to come down from here and go to the downside, then that's gonna be a fake out. This is gonna be a fake out, and this was a candle that today you've already seen it go to the upside. So potentially what you want to see for Solana right now is come down to the $99 and hold the 99 and then continue to the $112, and then this retest will be successful of this support previously right there, which was resistance right here. You try to break once, failed, twice failed, third fail, but now you did it, and now you have to come back for the retest at the $99.83, and then from there you go to the 112, which is a technical target out of this left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and simple inverse head and shoulder trading right there. And that's the only thing that I wanted to make you aware about Solana's update today. It's looking good, it's looking quite healthy. This is the right move that you want to see. That's really the right move that it has to make. Let it come down just a little bit, cool off at the 99, and then go to the 112. If you do take an entry right there and put a stop loss nearly the 93, that could take you for a 12% right to the upside potentially. And that's it for the update. A very quick one. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.